Hi everyone, this is Zan. This video is going to be about derma rolling around the eye area. Derma rolling is one of the best at-home anti-aging treatments that you can do to build collagen and to help products soak deeper into the skin to work better instead of just sitting on top of the skin. I have a lot of videos on derma rolling, either on specific areas of the face or on a full face demonstration along with basic information about derma rolling, and I'll list and link all those videos down beneath this video in the description box in case you're curious to see any of those videos. I'll also go ahead and list and link some of the products that I like to apply after derma rolling to help build collagen within the skin. And I truly believe that derma rolling is one of the best things that you can do for your skin. I've been derma rolling for the last 11 years, and I started when I was 40. I'm 51 now, and I truly believe that it has helped me to avoid fillers and Botox. Because the skin on our eyelids is so thin, I use a 0.25 millimeter derma roller, and I do use real individual needle rollers versus the sharpened metal disc rollers, and I'll list and link a few of my favorite real needle rollers down in the description box. I typically roll at nighttime because it does make the skin a little bit red for a couple hours, and it allows products to soak in deeper. So I like to roll at nighttime after I've cleansed my skin and removed all of my makeup, and then I put on my skincare and go to bed, and by morning the redness is gone and the products are completely soaked in. I always roll at nighttime, but because it is daytime, I went ahead and removed the makeup from my upper and lower eyelids. I never roll over my lash line, so I went ahead and left my mascara and eyeliner on. I roll around my orbital bone, and I roll horizontal, vertical, and then diagonal about 5 to 10 times each. Starting out with my upper eyelids, I just close the eye that I'll be rolling, and I roll back and forth. You can go over your eyebrow if you want, and I just roll back and forth 5 to 10 times, and then I go at a diagonal, the other way diagonal, and then vertical. On my crow's feet area, I like to hold my skin so that it opens up my crow's feet lines, and I can get the derma roller into those lines to build collagen. You can also hold your cheek to open up any lines that you may have under your eyes if you have lines that are there when you are not smiling. And that's all there is to it. And then I just roll exactly the same way on my other eye. And I'm not applying a lot of pressure when I derma roll. I just lay the roller on my skin and roll. When I'm done using my Derma Roller, I disinfect it with a spray bottle full of rubbing alcohol, and I just really douse the needles, and then I place it in its case and let it dry. If you enjoy my videos and find them helpful and you're not already subscribed to my channel, I hope that you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it.